shenanigans. This is part 2. Yes, part 2. If you all like me doing it this way, let me know. I enjoy it more. I know that by splitting each video up and giving them their own names. I know I used to do part 1 and part 2, write it on there, but I got tired of doing that, so I don't know, maybe I should still put part 1 and part 2 just so it defines it. I don't know. Anyway, we are back and we are ready to see what all we got. I keep looking that way because, yes, I am driving. And I want to pay closer attention to the road than the camera. Doesn't mean I don't want to pay attention to y'all, but this is a very windy road. Anyway, if y'all are interested in seeing what else we found yesterday on the last video, follow me. Let's go see right now. That's a weed whacker here, y'all. Everybody's buying new. Good for us. Yeah, good for us. We'll take it. Almost goes in there, not quite. Almost. Alrighty. Gloves are getting sticky, y'all. Gloves are getting sticky. I'm gonna turn my AC higher. I think that'll help. All right, meet you at the next stop. I want to check a most likely empty box with me. Is it? Yep. Sherry's Berries. I should have read the box. Then I would have known. All right. Let's go look for some more stuff. Look for some more junk, right, Minnie? How did you get grass on your bed? Onward, and not the road. Well, y'all, Ellie Mae's thirsty, so we're gonna go find a gas station and we will pick things up after that. Let's go feed Ellie Mae. Y'all, we got us a washer, or a dryer, I mean. I think I can pick it up. I'm gonna try anyway. I'm blocking a driveway for a minute. I think they'll understand. And if they need to leave, they'll probably help me. I rearranged the stuff back here. I forgot about the balloons. Better take care of that quick so I don't forget. Oh, you gotta fit in there. You gotta. There we go. There we go. I knew it had to fit. Alrighty. Oh, good, it's got an edge to grab a hold of, but that didn't make a difference. It fell off. Should have kept that to set it on, I guess. Hopefully I can do this. Already breathing hard. I haven't really done anything. Trying to think if I have anything in the truck. That I can use to heighten this. Besides that, this little brick maybe. Let's get it to the edge of it more. Sticking out a little bit. Is that gonna do it? Don't wobble. Almost got it. All right, now turn it maybe. There we go. Oh, it's not gonna close. It's close. Nope. Well, shoots. What if I strap it up like that? I think that's what we'll do. We'll try it anyway. So I got stuff that can bounce out of there. Have this on this side. All right. Is that gonna work? gonna break my glass. Plastic, I should say. Let's get that in there so it can't. Yeah, it totally didn't work. All right, plan B. Great. Hi. All right. Where are you pinched? Leave that there for now. All right, I gotta figure out how to strap that in, y'all. I'll let you see it when it's done. Came up with. It's all strapped in there good. All right, let's go see if we can find some more stuff before I have to quit. Oh, it's getting hot out there. It's 84 now. Bet the real feel's in the 90s. Something like that. All right, let's do it. Got something in this trash can here. We got a trash can and a trash can again. I'm gonna put this in the truck. Oops. Should have figured that would happen. Let's see. Don't need this part since the top isn't here. Oh, a glass tray. Awesome. I love trays. Yeah, that'll work. Where are we gonna put that trash can so it doesn't go anywhere? In the truck for now. I don't feel like messing around. What else we got in here? That doggy food bin. The lid for the trash can. I guess we'll take this part. See if it works. Turn. I don't want you in the truck. There, it's stuck down there. Somebody might want that. Has some icky dog food in it. Put it that way, I guess. All right, y'all, let's get going. Got a chandelier here. I should take the time to take these off. Is that empty? No, it's not. crooked, that's why. I don't know how I'm gonna get that one. Too hot for me to be messing around like this. Let's see if I can get it with this. If I can just get it a little further. Why doesn't this one work? Oh, because I gotta do that. That's why. Not wide enough? No. It might be too wide. We'll try it. Good grief, it's going to take me all day just to get the right size. I don't have a different plier either. Well, we got 3 off, I guess, or 4. Just have to take that one, I guess. Get this in here. I don't know what to do with the back. I don't have any little hidey holes for things. Well, maybe I can put it here. Maybe. Now it won't bounce out. I hurt my finger my thumb trying to get that off. That way. Great shenanigans. That's the end of part 2. Minnie and I had a great day, and we got a few things. I know I was really worried about how things were going to hang on the back of the truck there, but I think I got it. We haven't lost anything yet, knock on wood. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed riding along with Minnie and me. I know we enjoyed having y'all with us. The truck was pretty packed though, with all the people. Oh my, he couldn't wait. He's in a hurry. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Everybody's in a hurry, hurry, hurry. Go get a car accident. That wouldn't be good. Anyway, y'all, I hope y'all are having a great day, evening, morning, afternoon, whatever time it is, wherever y'all are. Minnie and I, we love you from the bottom of our hearts. And until next time, be blessed, y'all. Bye.